Hi, I'm Sasha, Community Engagement Coordinator with Galveston Bay Foundation, here to share this year's new Galveston Bay Report Card grades. If you haven't seen our 2 other short videos about how this community-driven report is created each year in partnership with the Houston Advanced Research Center, check them out here. Hopefully you've explored the Galveston Bay Report Card online. If so, you may have noticed some things have changed this year, so let's check them out.
I'm Dr. Erin Kinney, Research Scientist with HARC. We have good news in the water quality category. That grade stayed an A across nitrogen, phosphorus, and dissolved oxygen, all important for fish and other aquatic life. We also have good news in recreation safety under the human health risks category. Average grades for the bay and the subwatersheds all improved from a B to an A. The wildlife category did not change from last year. Shellfish, finfish, and birds are all holding steady, with C's and B's across the board. The grades in the habitat category did not change, as these data sets are not released every year. But don't worry, we continue to work hard to monitor, protect, and restore habitat around the bay. Remember, you help improve our habitat grades when you take part in habitat restoration and conservation by volunteering with Galveston Bay Foundation. Learn more here. The coastal change grade remains a C overall, but relative sea level rise continues to be a concern and is impacting our area through increased nuisance flooding. 2020 was a very unusual year for all of us. Several of our data sets, like water quality, bacteria, and birds, were smaller due to fewer people available to collect data during 2020. For water quality and bacteria, the smaller data sets resulted in insufficient data grades for several subwatersheds. We did have enough data, however, to report the average grades for the bay and the watersheds overall. We will continue to look for updated data sets and compare 2021's data next year to see if the trend of fewer data points being collected continues. What's great about the Galveston Bay Report Card is that we monitor these grades every year, so we can step back and look at the impacts that hurricanes, floods, droughts, and yes, even pandemics have on the grades. One indicator that we continue to make progress on developing is litter and trash. At the end of 2020, lots of you were anxious to get outside with your families, and some of you helped the bay by picking up trash in your own neighborhoods. Most of the large-scale cleanup events were canceled due to COVID, so we don't have the usual cleanups to report. However, COVID restrictions lessened and organized cleanups became individual. We fully anticipate seeing more cleanup data next year.
In fact, cleaning up litter, trash, and pet waste is something you can do safely, either alone or with your family, to help contribute to the health of Galveston Bay. So we have a mission for you to help us protect Galveston Bay. This year, you can continue to contribute to mission pollution prevention on galvbaygrade.org. On the mission section of our website, you'll find resources for how to tackle pollution, cover stories with tips and tricks to reduce trash, prevent litter, and recycle properly, and how you can participate on social media with our mission hashtag. Galveston Bay is an important part of the Houston-Galveston area, and it needs your help to stay healthy so we can all enjoy it for generations to come. We are continuing to offer presentations, activities, and workshops virtually or outside. There are lots of ways we can still make a difference safely. Join the Galveston Bay Report Card mission so together we can protect our backyard bay.